The good news is that Ryan is getting our cellular signal extender installed right now, and everything looks like it's working great. The bad news is that we might never leave this Walmart parking lot. So we can't open the back door to our van. So we're gonna try to pull out the refrigerator and climb through the hole and open it from the inside. Everybody wish us luck.
Are you getting that?
Oh, I'm getting it.
Okay.
In this video, we plan to show you our journey from Atlanta to Mount Rushmore. But, as you know, expect the unexpected when it comes to travel. That's even more true when you're living the van life. So here's what actually happened.
Oh.
Hey!
So will you be able to duplicate the process?
You know, here, let her, Dad, let her get it.
Yeah, I don't want to coronavirus you.
Yeah, okay.
So we're in Mammoth Cave right now. You probably can't see me, but at least you can hear my voice. It's very dark, as you can imagine, in a cave. They do have some electricity with lights down here, but it's Mammoth, hence the name Mammoth Cave. It's huge. Really cool, too.
The cave was too dark to get good video, but we did want to share some of our pictures with you so you could see this beautiful cave. Mammoth Cave is the longest known cave system in the world, with more than 400 miles of surveyed passageways.
So we have emerged from the bowels of the earth, spending countless minutes, or maybe like 70, 75 minutes. Anyway, we're here. This is the entrance. Couldn't get pictures on the way in, but it's pretty cool. This is the entrance slash exit, I guess the main entrance into the cave.
Morocco, Indiana. This is our little taste of Morocco here in the United States. Now, Morocco, Indiana has a population of 1,127 people. It's a small town here in the US, but we're happy to have it. So, quick check-in on van life now that we are a couple weeks in. We've run into a couple big problems. Problem number one is that we need a lot of cell phone signal so that we can do our regular work that we do to support ourselves, plus all of our social media and video work. And a lot of places that we're going to don't have very good cell phone signals because it's not a main priority of the National Park Service. Problem number two is that we need some specialized equipment for this that we can't just go buy at a store, and we don't have anywhere to ship it because Amazon does not recognize our van as a good shipping address. So we're about to go solve those problems right now. One of my girlfriends from college was gracious enough to let us ship a cell phone signal booster to her home on our route. So we're off to Madison, Wisconsin.
So, if you're in Wisconsin, then you have to leave Wisconsin with Wisconsin cheese. And so this is what we have. We have Hooks Alpine cheese, which is super, super good. We have Kelly's Kitchen chocolate cheese fudge. It's literally cheese that tastes exactly like chocolate.
So eat a little bit at a time.
And then we have sweet vanilla Cordona cheese, also amazing.
Oh my god.
And this is actually better heated
Oh, that's
if you
good.
have the ability to heat
But
it.
you have to eat it.
And it's so good. It's
So-
just like
all you
It's
do
like
is
having a mozzarella
yeah, all
stick
you do
without
is like
the
cut it in
breading.
cubes and just like it's yusto and you just
That is
To
awesome.
Wisconsin cheese basket.
Amazing. So realistically, we said we were coming here for a cell booster. It was actually the cheese that we were after. We expected this.
We feel very used for our cheese.
We came here just for Taryn. Okay, y'all, so we got some good news and some bad news. The good news is that Ryan is getting our cellular signal extender installed right now, and everything looks like it's working great, so we think that's going to be just fine. And the other good news is the weather is beautiful here in Wisconsin, in this Walmart parking lot that we are currently hanging out in. The bad news is that we might never leave this Walmart parking lot because our truck is broken, and these doors that we thought we had fixed, they are back to not opening. And no amount of begging or pleading or crawling through the back seems to be getting these open. So, will we make it out of Walmart? Or will we be stuck here in Wisconsin forever? I don't know. We're gonna go eat some cheese and find out.
All right, guys, so it turns out we're actually having to stay the night, one more night here in Wisconsin. It's not so bad, but after investigating and playing with the door a little bit more, determined that it needs to have some professional eyes set on it. So tomorrow morning, first thing, we're actually gonna have somebody take a look at it, hopefully get us back on the road. But in the meantime, we got some
Spotted
cow, which you can only get here in Wisconsin. So we're super excited about this. We've learned a lot about it. We've heard a lot about it, I guess, from our friends. And Taryn and Jonathan were really, really gracious to load us up with lots of really nice cheese. So
Made here in Wisconsin.
yes. So we're gonna spend some time enjoying this tonight.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So we're on our way now to visit my friend from college, Taryn. She was nice enough to let us ship our new Wi-Fi booster to her house. So see, I said Wi-Fi booster.
You keep saying Wi-Fi. It's not Wi-Fi.
Oh,
It's
just
an important distinction that you say cell booster.
just kidding. It's not Wi-Fi. So y'all, we are on our way to Madison, Wisconsin. Why, you ask? Because we need a cell phone signal booster, because we use our cell phones as a hotspot to do work on our laptops, and we are both working real jobs and we're using our Wi-Fi and we're using our Wi-Fi, we're not using our Wi-Fi. Problem number one is that we need a lot of cell signal so that we can use it for our hotspot, for our, nope. Is that falling down?
Yeah.
Aw.
It's okay. It's
Hang
fine.
in there, beer.
We love you.
Oh, there you go.
Ah. Ingenuity. All right.
Mm-hmm. Cheers.
Cheers.
See you guys on the flip side.
I think I was only supposed to take a bite.
That was weird when I said that.